Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on eBay. Wondering if someone blocked you on eBay? Maybe you can't bid or message them. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to tell if a seller or a buyer blocked you and what you can do about it. Now the first sign you're gonna notice when a buyer has blocked you is you can't place a bid or buy their items. Now if you try to bid or purchase and get an error like the seller does not allow bids from this user, you've likely been blocked from buying by that seller. And to test that out, just look for products by that seller and click on try to purchase it from your account. If it tells you this message, you've been blocked. The second sign is your message won't go through. If you try to send a message and get a notification like this member is not accepting messages from you, that's a sign they've blocked communications with you. The third sign is you can't also leave a feedback. Now if the feedback option disappears or errors out, it may be due to a block. And for the fourth sign, they're not showing up in search. Sometimes blocked users may not even see the seller's items. Use a different account or browse to confirm if the listing is still live. And that's how you find out someone has blocked you on eBay. eBay doesn't send alerts when someone blocks you, it's silent. Sellers often block buyers with non-payment history or negative feedback. Want to fix things? Just try to message them from another account or move on peacefully. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.